Back to the channel. For those of you who wonder what I use at home to do my smoking on, got the Recteq 1200 dual fire. Gonna probably cook some whole chickens and a Boston butt on it today. Use all that later on and make some other stuff. But there it is, fired up, getting ready to go. Here we go, getting ready to put them on the Recteq smoker. Got a couple of whole chickens here, beer butt style, covered in the Suckle Busters honey barbecue rub. And like I said, we also gonna have a nice Boston butt on there, looking good. And it's also covered in Suckle Busters, just the meat candy. Get a video of them going, what they look like in the end. Got the Recteq going. She's set on 250, sitting right there. Got all the probes in. Two whole chickens, probably about, I don't know, 7.5 pounds. And almost 9 pound Boston butt on there. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done. Check back in later. Back at the Recteq, time to check on everything. She's smoking pretty good. Remember, we got chicken and Boston butt on here. Chicken looking good. Boston butt starting to get some color. Temperatures looking like, if we can see them. Not sure. Seems like we've attracted the neighbors' puppies. Alright, folks. Come back in a little bit. Just a quick little video here while we're cooking this meat. So if you want to get the Recteq, I've got the dual 1200. They sell this shelf. It's a folding shelf. And I just attached mine while I was cooking. Very simple. Phillips head screwdriver. And down here where your grill is assembled, there's 2 screws on either side. You just take those screws out. And the shelf mounts right where those screws were. And all you gotta do, each side underneath the lip, there's a little latch. And she folds down out of the way for easy storage. If you want it back up, just come in, flip it up, and it locks into place. Handy little deal. Make sure you lock both sides in. Alright, we'll check on the meat later. I'm probably going to kill my audio. I'm down here in South Georgia. It's got to be at least 100 degrees today. But I've had this old fan right here many years. Back when I was a young man, it was in my mother's garage. I got it mounted to the top, blowing down on me while I'm cooking. It's a lifesaver out here, guys. Beautiful day though. Alright guys, let's do some temperature checks. I know I got the probes in, but I like to check them anyway. Got a little cheap little Amazon thermometer here. Sorry about the audio. Like I said, it's 100 degrees out here, guys. I got the fan going right now. Got the chickens on. Need to be 165. 168 there. 155. We'll let it go a little more. Let's see what the leg dark meat's looking like. I won't touch that bone. 169. Dark meat's probably good. Like I say, we're right around that bone though. 161. 165. 173. 174. Let's check this one more time, guys. 155. We'll let them go for a little bit longer. Then we're going to pull these chickens off of here. Bud's looking good. Got to get it to 205. Ain't nowhere ready yet. Folks, here we are again. That's the butt looking good. Put a little bit of Oklahoma Joe butcher paper wrap on it. Guys, if you don't have these, this is just basically cafeteria trays. I picked up a bunch of them at Amazon, and they work great. Pick you some up. Let's get this thing wrapped up. Alright guys, got the Boston butt wrapped up. She's about 160 degrees right now. Trying to get it at 205 mark. Like I said, get you some of these plastic trays. They work great. See y'all next time. Beautiful birds. Getting ready to split them in half. Vacuum seal them up. 2 half chickens, 1 whole, pretty well deboned chicken. Ready to make dinners this week. But got done. It's looking good.